Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students, and welcome to our science class. Today is Wednesday, and the date is the 7th of April, 2021. Our lesson today will be about forces. What are forces? When you
It's something that press against something.
Nice,
When you
nice.
push or pull.
Wow, that's cool. How did you know? It's correct. It's something when you push or pull, and exactly Tala when you put something against something, because when you put two things against each other, definitely you are gonna pull or push. And then if you are pushing or pulling, you are making what?
You're doing like you're putting pressure on something, just like when you press
Excellent.
on it.
So you are doing work.
Just like when you press on the can of Coke or like soda, and then it crushes because you're putting pressure on it.
Exactly. And sometimes you pull, and all that means you are making some
Like
work.
when you push or pull a door.
Exactly, when you push or pull a door. So force, in short words, means when you push or pull something, you are making some work. Also, you are giving some effort. You are making some effort. It's going to take some effort from your side. You're going to feel tired, of course. We have simple machines to help us make this effort, but this is force, all right? So if you want to underline the word force, you would say that force is which a pull or push happens, and it's require what? Effort from you, okay?
Yes. Okay.
And guys, please mind that this force, okay, definitely gonna make things move. They will not be at the same spot because you are making some movement to them. When you push away the water, look at the over here, the rowers over here, they pull back or push, okay? The auras push against water, and when the aura push against water, this one will definitely go backwards. But if they are pushing the opposite side, the boat will go where? Forward. So when they are pushing water, they are making movement. Do you see? Okay. Do we have kinds of movement? It's only one?
No, we have kinds of movement. Yeah, we have a lot.
Okay. One of the kinds of movement is gravity. What is gravity? Look at the grape and the bananas. The grape and the bananas. What about the grape and the bananas? What makes them go down? What pulls them down?
The weight? Their weight? Like how much?
Okay, of course the weight, definitely the weight, but there's something else helping them to go down. Why they're not going up instead of going down?
Because they're heavy? They're heavy.
Okay, even if they are heavy, why we are standing on the floor? Why we're not floating or going up?
Gravity?
Of course, because of gravity. Gravity have a force, and this force is pulling things towards it. Gravity is down under the ground, so it's a force. This is why we consider gravity as a force. Okay, guys, do you understand with me until now why gravity is a force?
Yes.
What about others?
Gravity is a force because it's pulling down the things.
Anything, of course, and weight is a factor. If the bananas have so much weight than the grapes, definitely the bananas will go down more than the grapes. See? Because it have more weight, weight definitely will affect
It looks in the photo that they are cherry tomatoes, but they're grapes.
Okay, yes, it can be cherry tomatoes, but yes, I'm very sure they're grapes. Because I think cherry tomatoes have green leaves, more green leaves, and they can be very shown. Look at this guy over here. When the ball hits the floor, okay, the force of the floor makes the ball stop and change its direction of movement when the ball hits the player's hand. The same thing happened. So, when you bounce the ball up and down, what makes it go down is what? The gravity. What makes it bounce and go up again? How much force you are giving it. If you are giving it too much force, it will definitely change the direction because it wants to lose the energy that you gave it. You already gave it some energy from your hand. So it definitely needs to bounce to balance this energy, to balance this force. So definitely it's going to bounce and go up again, down again, up again until it loses everything. All right. Now let's see the types of forces. As we said, of course, gravity is one kind of force. And what is gravity? Gravity, can you read for me, Ajuri? What is gravity? We need to underline what is gravity, Ajuri. It's a real good lesson, and I'm gonna bring so much questions from this lesson. Can you hear me? Okay, guys, what Judy? Are you here, Judy?
Yes.
Okay, Judy.